Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Free Computer Tricks. Today we will learn how to remove number from blacklist or reject list of Samsung E1200Y. Yes, if you are using Samsung E1200Y and by mistakenly added a number to blacklist or reject list, then how you can remove this. So at first I will tell you, if somebody added a number to the reject list, then what happened. If you have by mistakenly added number in the blacklist or reject list, then the person won't able to call you. That means you will not receive any incoming call from that number. So here in this video, I will tell you how you can add a number to the blacklist and how to remove the number from the blacklist. Before going to the topic, here I want to share a small trick how you can check the model number by dialing a secret code. So as you can see, here I am dialing *#1234# and the model number is here. It's E1200Y and the complete number you are saying is the firmware version. And here I am going to add a number to the reject list. But as you can see, it shows already exist. That means the number has been added to the blacklist before. So how to remove this? Go to the phone settings, then applications, then select call, then click on all calls. Then here you will get an option auto reject. Open that auto reject and now you will see all the number added to the reject list. Just select the number and use the left option key and use the delete option to delete that number. In this way, you can remove all the number you don't want to be on the reject list. After removing the number from blacklist, the person can call you. That means you will receive the incoming call from that number. So friends, in this way, you can remove the number from blacklist or reject list of Samsung E1200Y. So friends, if this tutorial is really informative, then please like, share and comment. If you have any doubt regarding this, then you can post a comment. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to get the new video notifications. Thank you.